All right, welcome back to another part. Let's see where we are at now. So, I think I made my wings, this part too short. All right, let's just go full send on it. Let's tack these down a little bit better, and then we'll start reinforcing it. Let's further reinforce them. Just another brace that we're tacking in here. Trimming it to fit. Alrighty, now we'll do. A little bit more on the wings, and then we'll be able to go back to the body. That piece went fine. Add a nice angled piece, roughly matches the shape. Excellent. Now let's really tie these down because I'm going to actually bend these rods down. They might actually become the blasters. Just bend this piece. See how we can get it in here nicely. And I'm largely making this up as I go, so just cut a piece and eyeballed it in, make sure it's kind of level. Supporting my front arch here. Some small cut pieces. Each step is just taking so long to think through. Just going to drop a support right here because this is roughly where I want the ends to start. Alright, just going for it. Figure out all the details in a minute. Alright, just loop these around, trying to make them match the shape up there. And I'm just loosely tacking it in until I finalize my decision with this setup. Alright, this range will do. Not quite perfectly symmetrical, but I think I can make that work. The core frame is so close to being done. A spacer to help hold things in place. Get those bars in and these things recut. Now I gotta figure out what I was wanting to do. So now I just need a little piece that kind of comes up over one more brace. It'll help hold whatever piece I come up with. Alright, only 20 minutes or 25 minutes to get 4 pieces in. I'm blazing through this today. That looks good. So to get this final bump here, make a shorter piece. Yeah, these pieces just long enough to make an arch over this top bump here. Try to secure them a little bit better. It's kind of looking like it. Just got this one rod left, and I think I'm going to need more than this one, so I'm going to build a few more and then call it quits for today. But thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you on the next one.